This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. The state of Michigan is one step closer to having a mental health hotline. The legislation was passed in the state Senate on Thursday to create the Michigan Crisis and Access Line. The hotline would connect people with mental health resources throughout the state. The State House has to approve some changes the Senate made before the bill goes to Governor Gretchen Whitmer's desk. The hotline would combine the suicide hotline, opioid hotline, and inpatient psych bed registry. If the legislation passes, Michigan will become only the second state to have a service like this. Eaton County safety officials announced the launch of their newest method to keep residents safe. The new public safety communication system is operational. 911 Director Michael Armitage said the $13.1 million investment will significantly improve critical, life-saving communications for decades to come. This system is more dependable and will allow first responders to communicate with each other in the country as well as with agencies outside the country. The project includes 5 additional radio towers, 957 radios for responders, 464 pagers for fire departments, and 39 outdoor warning sirens, according to Armitage. Armitage said that the system is performing better than they expected, with 98% indoor coverage. He said the system was in over 1,400 areas throughout Eaton County. Just 3 weeks after a major human trafficking ring was busted in Michigan, the state is getting some advice on how to prevent the crime. The House Health Policy Committee heard testimony from a survivor and the FBI on Thursday about human trafficking in Michigan. We must educate ourselves about human trafficking, said State Representative Hank Vaupel of Fowlerville. It's an issue in third world countries, but it's an issue right here in our backyards as well. Ruth Rondon was trafficked for 18 years before getting out. She delivered testimony in front of lawmakers saying that more needs to be done to keep people from getting to a point in life where they're easy pickings. One of the suggestions from law enforcement is training cosmetologists to spot the signs of trafficking because many victims are forced to get made up for their johns. An alert cosmetologist could tell police when they spot a victim. Human trafficking is the fastest growing and second largest criminal industry in the world, according to the U.S. Department of State. Vaupel supported House Resolution 210 on Wednesday, declaring January 11, 2020 as Human Trafficking Awareness Day in the state of Michigan. Jackson National Life Insurance has agreed to pay $20.5 million to 21 former employees to settle a federal discrimination lawsuit. The Equal Employment Opportunity filed the suit against the company in 2016. The suit claims women and black employees were routinely discriminated against and forced to tolerate a hostile work environment at the company's offices in Denver and Nashville. In addition to the $20.5 million settlement, Jackson National will be bound by the terms of a 4-year consent decree. It says the company cannot violate federal anti-discrimination laws, including creating or tolerating a hostile work environment based on race, color, sex, and/or national origin, and discrimination in promotion, compensation, and other terms and conditions of employment. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.